What's up, friends? Welcome back to GIO'S, and today I'll be introducing you all to a special guest. I don't think I ever told you guys this, but I do have a roommate, and you all have yet to meet my roommate, and this is who you'll be meeting today. She will be joining me. Yes, it's a she. She will be joining me for this video. Yeah, but I'll give you a little background about her before I actually put her on. That's funny. Before I put her on, get this clout. But anyways, before we became roommates, she was actually acting as somewhat of an assistant to me. You know, she was booking me in Texas and all those other places. And yeah, so that's how we became great friends. We had a great relationship. So then I was like, you know what? Let's just go out here. Let's just do it. And we did it. And now we're both here together. And I never introduced you to her. So today you'll be introduced to my roommate. That's what I meant to say. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and call her in. Yeah, just come. You can just come right out. Yeah, okay. Here she comes. Any second. Okay. All right. I'll first let everyone know who you are.
Okay, my name is Ashley Conway. I am...
Ashley Conway! she's Ashley Conway. That's
25 years old. I love long walks on the beach. I don't know what you want me to say.
We're here, we're winging it, you know? So today we're gonna be trying treats from a different country. So somewhere different than the United States and somewhere different than Canada, because technically I don't even think of Canada as a different country because homies, you're right upstairs. So what's up?
It's a different country?
Canada is a different country for sure. No, yes. We're in the same continent, but it's a different country.
Wow, I need to go back to school. I thought Toronto was like somewhere in our country.
It's not. It's damn near close to New York, I believe. Canada, you are just us, okay? You're just us. You're just a nicer version of us, so you don't apply to what, I don't even know where I'm going with it. You know what?
I think we should just start over.
Let's just, start over? No, we're just gonna keep it going. We got try treats here. Yeah, it is, and we're trying all the treats from the United Kingdom, which is an English country.
Should I just talk like this the whole time?
Talk like this the whole time.
Alright, okay, cool.
Okay.
Wow.
I'm gonna go ahead and go through this whole thing. So this is a synopsis of, wow, that was a big word.
Spell it.
Yep. Synopsis is not a big word actually. I'm sure I can spell it if I try. They're sending me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items. And it's pretty much telling me exactly what each item is, what it consists of, just in case I might have an allergy, and yeah. Oh, by the way, if you are interested in trying treats from a different country, there's actually a whole company that you can try treats from. Whatever country you like, you can do a subscription, whatever you like. It's going to be in the description below. I'll leave a link for you so you can go look, check them out. And yeah, so let's get this thing going.
All right, did you want me to read it?
All right, so you want to read it? So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and just take a treat out, and then we're going to find it on this synopsis. Yeah, we are. And she's going to read what exactly it is. So I'm just going to pick one, and we're gonna start off with the Walker's shortbread crackers.
Shortbread fingers, Gio. Shortbread fingers are by Walker's and Scottish shortbread biscuits, baked from a recipe handed down through generations of the Walker family. These biscuits are all natural and contain no artificial colors, flavoring, and preservatives. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients: wheat, flour, butter, sugar, and salt.
It tastes like
butter. It tastes like straight butter.
I don't know if all your grandmothers do it, but my grandmother's, she always had these box of cookies, and it was like in a circle.
The tin of
cookies.
That Christmas tin.
The Christmas tin of cookies, bro, and it tastes just like those.
They try to make all the different tins and the cookie shape different, and they all taste exactly the same.
Alright, we're just gonna put that one to the side.
Oh, we can't eat the whole thing?
The rule is not to fit.
Okay.
And we're gonna go to the next one. Alright. It's dairy milk walnut.
Oh, I love Cadbury.
Oh, it's Cadbury. So
yes, Cadbury, they give out them on Easter. Chocolate bar Cadbury. Dairy milk chocolate bars by Cadbury is a chocolate bar made with higher what's that word?
Proportions.
Proportions of milk that musk chocolate most chocolate bars. Incredibly popular in the UK. It was first created in 1905 and became Cadbury's best-selling product by 1915.
It only came with half, dog.
I am not sure if we can eat that. It's been contaminated. On to the next!
It only came with half.
You know what?
No, I lifted it up and it's on the floor. it's, there it goes. Alright, we're just gonna...
I like nuts.
It's melting in my hand, dog.
This was really rich and just... I couldn't eat a whole one.
Yeah, wait, why do you give so much, dog? It's too rich for me. I can't sit here and eat a whole chocolate thing.
Wow.
Now. We're on to the potato chips. It's salt and vinegar chips, dog.
I thought it said Tayato.
Nope. She has problem reading, so that's why we have her reading. Potato chip, dog. Potato chip.
Teo was the first flavored chip in history. They are so popular in Ireland, and that both Northern Ireland, the Republic of Ireland, and wow, they're in Ireland, clearly. All right, awesome. Let's just get into it because I'm not sure. I'm gonna watch you one first. These ones are a little questionable.
Okay. I'm using salt and vinegar chips.
Wait a minute.
It tastes like salt and vinegar chips, like regular, the American ones.
These are great, actually. Oh, hold up, potatoes. You did something there.
Alright, this looks disgusting.
Let me look at it.
It says fruit and nut toffee.
The toffee itself is creamy, sweet, and tasty, and hard and chewy in the texture. I was just about to say they get caught in your teeth, I'm pretty sure. No artificial coloring. Wow, I just spit on the plate. No preservatives and no hydrogenated vegetable oils. Wow, that's a big one.
You said a lot of big words there.
Yeah.
I'm actually pretty proud of you.
Thank you.
Boom. The top is the plastic. You flip it upside down like boom. Wait, how did they expect us?
How do you share it?
How do you share this? Is this shareable? Oh no, this is like actual toffee.
Yeah, toffees.
It said toffee, so I'm guessing.
What kind of toffee?
Except me, probably I never had toffee, so.
Toffee, it's cool, it just gets caught in your teeth.
It's messy though.
It's kind of a trick though, because when you look at it, you're like, wow, this is shareable. You open it, it's like, you thought it was.
That's gross. No, that's nasty.
It's not obligated to eat it now.
Finish it.
Okay.
Obviously, we're divided here.
If the fruit wasn't in it,
It's a no for me, dog.
I feel like if I got drunk, I would just be like, toffee. Toffee.
Oh, this is something that looks pretty good.
I like the shape of it.
Okay.
I like Pastellis.
Pastellis.
What's by Nestle? I know Nestle.
Pastellis. Nestle, I do know that company. They make great hot chocolate, so shout out to Nestle. Sponsor me.
Fruit flavored gummies that contain real fruit juice and no artificial coloring, flavoration, and preservation. That's not a good word for me. Introduced back in 1881. I think that they try to copy off of life flavors, but just didn't put the hole in the middle.
Lifesavers. You know what? I'll take the grape one.
Of course you will. So did they say there was flavor in these? Because I'm really confused.
I would taste like medicine.
Grape always tastes like medicine.
This one tastes like child medicine.
Oh, you have a really hard mouth grip or something, because how did you just bite it and then...
I'm using my vampire teeth. It's not disgusting.
You don't like candy though.
I don't really like candy at all. I'm not a sweet person. Alright, so we have the white buttons. Actually, this would probably be good to melt.
This tastes really great. I say like 3.
Next.
I say I ate like 3 of them. I'm already sized the challenge. That's a lot.
This is a lot of custard cream biscuits.
In one country, biscuits are the cookies. They're like, when you ask for a cookie, you ask for a biscuit. You can have a cookie, can you have a biscuit?
If I want a biscuit.
Then we're gonna go to Popeyes. Between 2 biscuits. In a poll of 7,000 Britons, 9 out of 10 voted custard cream to be the favorite biscuit. Oh, they actually say custom cream.
Okay.
Oh my god. These are bomb. You know what? Oh, you sound like you need some water.
How'd you get it two already?
I inhaled it. These are great.
That can clean your mouth.
We should have checked the date on these.
And it tastes like a vanilla wafer. And it tastes like a vanilla wafer. I probably should have did this video a while ago.
I'm so sorry. Alright.
Arrow from Nestle said delightful peppermint. Something that I do not like is peppermint. I hate chocolate chip. What is it?
Mint chocolate chip.
Mint chocolate chip ice cream. That is disgusting.
It's actually, no. Carpet?
Yuck. This tastes exactly like how I imagined it. Disgusting.
My big ass liked everything except for this. I mean, I liked everything so far.
Back to Nestle. We're about to try the Drifter.
Drifter by Nestle is a chewy caramel and wafer biscuit originated and launched in 1980. Chewer than the average chocolate bar, yet distinctly unique in its own original taste.
My neighborhood is safe.
Yeah, it's extremely safe. What's happening?
I hope you guys don't hear that.
This is awful.
This tastes how it smells. I'm so hoping y'all don't hear any of this baby yelling right now.
Yeah, okay.
It's alright, I think the dog is just chasing her.
Milky
Back to the buttons. We got Milky Bar buttons. Dog, if this is the same thing, someone needs to get sued. Stop.
You know what? I don't want any lawsuits, but y'all might want to go look into this. Similar to white buttons from Cadbury. Oh, there they went.
It tastes exactly the same.
Hey, really?
Yeah.
They're just a little bit smaller.
They are small. I like the other one better. Alright guys, I think we're on to the last one.
Yeah.
Right. Guinness. Yeah, Guinness is
Oh,
actually
they're
pretty
called
gross.
Brutes, get it?
Oh,
Guinness
Brutes.
yeah.
Like, Brutes.
Brew, yeah. Works. The combination of savory crisp with the bittersweet flavor of Irish stout gives these chips a truly unique flavor. I mean, is that them smelling like that?
Look at them.
They don't look good.
They look like I played with it in dirt, or I dropped all my chips.
Can these get you drunk?
These are absolutely just not great. Wait, what? Oh, it's sponsored?
Let me taste this. Oh my god.
Wow.
They're great, guys.
Alright guys, so that wraps up the Try Treats all the way from the United Kingdom. Thank you Try Treats for letting me try the treats from United Kingdom. If you want to go ahead and try treats from a different country for yourself, just go ahead and hit that link in the description below. It's trytreats.com. Before I end this video, I'm gonna send it over to Ashley to let you guys know all her social outlets and everything and where you can find her other than this house. Yeah.
You guys can find me on Instagram at iashp. That's IASHPEE. My Snapchat is about the same. I just started YouTube, so you want to follow me on YouTube. It's Ashley Conway. Yeah.
I will link it all in the description below as well, so where you can find her. By the way, let me just say this, if you follow her on Snap and you just happen to see me, just be mindful that it's not my Snap, so I can act however I want to act. I like to do fun stuff. I just want to put that out there, just in case you go to her Snapchat like, oh, GIO'S, you don't act like this on camera, because I don't want to. All right, dang, leave me alone. You all know what to do. You can follow me at all my social medias. That is Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all being Gio Filipino here. Of course, I'm gonna link in the description box below as well. Go ahead and hit that like button. Please leave comments if you want to see more videos with us. Tell me what you thought about this video. If you like Ashley, if you don't like Ashley. Because we can just cut her out and I can just blur the whole thing out on this side and it can just all be me again, you know? You're gonna see on the Snapchat, if you do follow her, that we are some funny people. You don't get to see that a lot on my channel. So let me know if you want to see more videos with us, or we should just you know, I don't even know. Maybe we will start our own channel because we do some crazy stuff and no, we do some crazy stuff. We do some crazy stuff. It'll be nice to have a channel where I can just do whatever I want and say whatever I want because trust me, I filter a lot of stuff on here and just want to throw that out there as well. Yes. So with that being said, you know what to do and stay wavy and I'll see y'all next time. Yeah. Yeah.